Welcome to this Inno Plus presentation. This presentation is the instruction on the installation of Polo and Porpoise built-in air scrubbers produced by Inno Plus. The build. Building the table. The tables are built in squares and then connected together to make one big table. Firstly, the corners. Slot the inner profile into the outer profile with the teeth pointing up. Use 4 M8 by 25mm bolt with nut, securing these only finger tight. The leg. Lubricate the M16 thread on the screw foot and screw it halfway into the leg. Leave the lock nut screwed down to allow for adjustment later. Slide the leg into the corner profile at the small end. Use a bolt through the holes to set the rough height. For this we use 1 M8 by 75 and a nut. Again, finger tight. For the frame, first we connect the lower cross members. These go corner to corner and are secured again with M8 by 25mm nut and bolt. Secure these only finger tight. After this, the upper cross members. These are secured in place with M8 by 25mm nut and bolt. Also, to secure the top to the bottom cross members, we use an M8 locking bolt, mushroom headed or a coach bolt, with a nut underneath. Again, secure these only finger tight. Build all but the last table. These are always built finger tight to allow for some movement when adjusting and leveling. Connect the tables together with couple sections as shown. Once the table is almost complete, we can level the table up. Twist the legs to get the right height as shown with your level or table or laser level. Then lock off the foot with the lock nut. Earthing. Tables must be earthed as per the plan in the dealer package. For this we use 3mm stainless steel cable which is provided. Make a loop, remove one of the nuts and bolts, and secure the loop with a washer and the same bolt. Load the plastic packaging into the air scrubber with the flat side down on the first layer and then up on all layers after this. The flat side is better for walking on. Stack all the packaging in and then build the last table. The packages can then be laid out. At this point, all nuts and bolts can be tightened so the table is now secure. When you load the packaging in, we lay the hard side down on the first layer and then up on all layers above that. We stack them all in and then build the last table. Then tighten everything and lay out the last packages. For further support, please contact